If you are planning to start a career in industrial automation, then learning PLC is the first and most important step. In today's industries, almost every machine and process is controlled automatically using PLC systems. So in this video, we are going to understand PLC basics in a very simple and practical way. Even if you are a complete beginner, by the end of this video you will clearly understand what a PLC is and how it works. Welcome to Automation Geek. This channel is dedicated to helping students and beginners learn industrial automation step by step, with real industrial concepts and practical examples. Let us begin with the most basic question: what is a PLC? PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It is basically an industrial digital computer that is specially designed to control machines and automation processes. Unlike normal computers, PLCs are built to work in harsh industrial environments such as high temperature, dust, vibration, and electrical noise. PLC systems are used to automate different industrial operations like motor control, conveyor movement, tank level control, packaging systems, bottle filling plants, and many other production processes. The main purpose of a PLC is to reduce human effort and increase efficiency, safety, and productivity in industries. Before PLCs were introduced, industries used relay control panels for machine automation. Relay panels required large amounts of wiring, and troubleshooting faults was very difficult and time-consuming. Also, if any change in logic was required, technicians had to physically change the wiring connections inside the panel. This made the system very rigid and less flexible. PLC technology solved these problems by introducing software-based control. Now logic can be changed simply by modifying the program without changing the wiring. This reduces installation time, improves troubleshooting speed, and makes automation systems more reliable and flexible. Now let us understand the basic parts of a PLC system. A PLC mainly consists of four important sections: power supply, CPU, input modules, and output modules. The power supply unit provides the required DC voltage to operate the PLC. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the PLC. It reads the input signals, executes the control program, and decides how the outputs should respond. Input modules are used to receive signals from field devices such as push buttons, limit switches, proximity sensors, and temperature switches. Output modules are used to control field devices like motors, contactors, lamps, solenoid valves, and alarms. In simple terms, inputs are signals coming into the PLC and outputs are actions performed by the PLC. Now let us understand how a PLC actually works. PLC operates in a continuous loop known as the scan cycle. In the first step, the PLC reads the status of all input devices connected to it. In the second step, it executes the control program written by the automation engineer. This program is usually written in ladder logic, which is one of the most popular PLC programming languages. In the third step, the PLC updates the output devices based on the logic execution results. This entire process happens very fast, typically within a few milliseconds, and keeps repeating continuously as long as the PLC is powered on. For example, if an operator presses a start push button, the PLC reads that input signal, processes the program logic, and turns on a motor connected to the output module. Because of this fast and reliable operation, PLC systems are widely used in modern industries. Some common real-world applications of PLC include automatic bottle filling plants, conveyor sorting systems in warehouses, water tank level monitoring and control systems, and automated packaging machines in manufacturing units. As industries move towards smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0, the demand for PLC and automation engineers is increasing rapidly. Therefore, learning PLC programming and industrial automation concepts can open many career opportunities for students and fresh engineers. In this video, we understood the basic concept of PLC, its advantages over relay control, the main hardware components, and the working principle based on the scan cycle. In the next video, we will start with our first practical PLC program, motor start and stop logic using ladder diagram. If you are interested in learning industrial automation step by step, make sure to subscribe to Automation Geek and continue this learning journey with us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.